Hello everyone and welcome again to How to Bank. Hope our videos are helping you to make banking easy. In case you are visiting our channel for first time, we at How to Bank make banking related videos and make banking experience simple. Please do subscribe our channel and share with your friends and relatives. My name is Deepak and today we are going to see how to send money order from ICICI Bank. Yes, you heard it right. We can send an money order from ICICI Bank. For this, you will need your net banking user ID and password, your debit card to complete the transaction. You will also need the details of person to whom you are going to send the money order. So let us start. Log in with internet banking user ID and password. Then on payment and transfer, click on funds transfer. You will see an option of smart money order. Click on that. Now before we proceed, note important information about the charges and how many days it takes. Note that ICICI Bank sends information to post office or to Indian Post, and from there the money order is sent to the person you have mentioned. Amount should be always in multiples of 100. Write the amount, the remarks and click on next. Now here input the details of sender and receiver, all the details, fill in all the information. After that click on next. Input the grid card details from your debit card. Then click on I have read. If you want to read the terms and conditions, you can click here. Here are the charges applicable and click on send. So this is the process of sending an smart money order from ICICI Bank. This was part 1 of the video. In second video, I will show how the money order looks like. Hope our videos are helping you to make banking easy. As always, have safe banking. Do not share your user ID and password with anyone. Keep your banking related documents and information confidential. Do not give any information over the phone to anyone, not even with bank people. Remember, bank will never call you to ask any information. Thank you for watching our video. Please do subscribe our channel and have a wonderful day.